This is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we have a really quick salad. The thing I did was I cooked the shrimp a day ahead of time and let it sit in a Ziploc bag. So that's the best thing to do. It's called the Old Bay shrimp. After this part, I'll go right to cooking the shrimp, and then we'll go back to the recipe. So this is an Old Bay red pepper and spinach salad. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 3 tomatoes, shaved Parmesan, mayonnaise, red pepper pesto. If you can't find that, you could find the recipe on the net. Banana peppers, the spinach, artichokes, and we got that shrimp that I cooked up. We'll use some of it here, and then I'll use it for another recipe next week or the following week. And then you're gonna need 2 mixing bowls. One to mix the salad, and then another mixing bowl to make the sauce. So be right back, folks. Alright, so we're gonna cook the shrimp today. We have that good quality shrimp. It's deveined and the tail's taken off. Avocado oil. We have Old Bay seasoning, and we have some kosher salt. We're gonna start off with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and the best thing to do is use a splash guard. This thing will prevent all the oil from going all over. So let's get started here. Alright, so we're going to put that tablespoon of avocado oil in there. If you put in 2 tablespoons, it really doesn't matter. You just want to definitely make sure that the pan is coated with oil. Then put your heat on to medium. You heard the stove there. And you're going to just start throwing in your shrimp. And like I said, once you put it in there, make sure you leave, don't turn the shrimp. Make sure you keep it on one side for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So you're going to want to sear that with the cover on. Alright, so you can see that we're doing that shrimp. And like I said, 2 or 3 minutes on one side, and that's when we'll turn it over. Alright, so the thing you're going to want to do is take that splash guard off and throw in some sea salt. And the thing is we're going to do is now we're going to flip these over. Just flip the shrimp over, and then we'll cook it for another 2 minutes. Alright, so those are cooking. We flipped them over. Now take your Old Bay and throw some Old Bay in there. And once again, throw this splash guard on there, and that'll prevent the oil from going everywhere. Alright, so that's how you cook that shrimp, with kosher salt and Old Bay seasoning. I wish you could really smell it. So you're going to want to just cook that a couple minutes, simmer it, let get the flavors together, and you're set. Then you can use this in any recipe. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. There you have your Old Bay and kosher salt shrimp. And this could be used for anything. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's your Old Bay shrimp. And you can use this in any recipe. And we're going to use this today in this recipe. Alright, so we're going to start off making that sauce first. So take your red pepper pesto, the roasted pepper pesto, and throw that in there. Make sure you have a spoon to mix it. So yeah, that's red pepper, pesto that's roasted. Now you're going to take the mayonnaise and put that in there, and we're going to mix it. And then once that's done, we're going to just put it aside until we mix all the other salad stuff in a bowl. And then once it's plated, we'll top it with Parmesan. All right, YouTube and Facebook, you see that? Now you're going to want to just blend all this together to its like all blended. Sorry, just make sure you keep doing it till it's all together, blended as one. All right, YouTube and Facebook, we got the red pepper pesto with the mayonnaise. You can see how it changed color. So you're going to want to do that, like I said, till it mixes all together and you get rid of the white. You're going to put that aside, and then we're going to go to the bowl. That's where we're going to put the spinach in there, artichokes, banana peppers, and the grape tomato. And then we're going to mix it all together. We're going to add the sauce and mix that in there, and then when we plate it, we'll top it with the shaved Parmesan. Alright, so we have the spinach in there. If you wanted to use something else, you could. Now take your banana peppers and throw those in there. Once you're done, take these artichokes and throw some of the artichokes in there. If you want, you could break it up. It's your cook, your choice. Alright, so we got the banana peppers in there and the artichokes. Now we have the tomatoes. So throw some of these tomatoes in. And just start blending it all together. If you got too much spinach in there, take it out. We're almost to the last steps. So just put in there what you need, and you'll be all set. Alright, so we have that salad done. Now we're gonna throw in this dressing that we made. We're just gonna blend the salad together. Once this is done, then we'll plate it or bowl it, and then we'll actually put on the shaved Parmesan and some of the shrimp. I actually forgot the shrimp. So just get the dressing you need in there and blend it, and then we'll go to the last step. Alright, so all that's blended together. We're going to plate that, or you could bowl it. And then on top, we're going to throw some of the shaved Parmesan on top, and we'll add a couple pieces of the Old Bay shrimp. So you're going to have that really good sharp Parmesan, that Old Bay shrimp that tastes like the Bay. And then you have that red pesto salad here. All the colors, all the flavors together are going to blend well, and you're going to have a variety of tastes. All right, YouTube. So we have that salad there. I put it on the plate so you could see it more. But you could just eat it like that. So take the shaved Parmesan. Just start placing it in there. Make the pieces as big as you want. And like with any recipe, you can modify this, add, subtract, do whatever you want. But throw a bit of that in there. And once that's done, we'll throw some shrimp in there. Alright, so that salad has the shredded Parmesan on there. Now place like a couple shrimp on there. And you're all set. And that's how you make a Old Bay red pesto salad in like 10 minutes. If you cook the shrimp a day ahead of time and let it sit in a bag, it'll taste really good. So here's another healthy recipe for you. There's the shrimp, artichokes, shredded parm. And the purpose of my channel is to bring you variety. Sometimes healthy food, sometimes food that you can cheat with. But in life, you're supposed to have variety. But you can't eat that other food all the time. So it's good to add in good salads. So thank you for visiting my channel. Here's another salad for you. It'd be really good for your kids and healthy. On my YouTube channel, I have playlists so you can find things easily. And now on Facebook, I have a media page that links me to all my pages of Cook and Facebook and even my photography page. So if you go to Facebook and search media, Dan Soy, you'll find my media page, and that'll link you to all my cooking pages, even my photography. So thanks for visiting. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll talk to you soon, bringing you 3 or more recipes a week. Dan Soy, Amateur Cook out. Love you.